This Thomas Index report is sponsored by High-Tech Commercial Solutions, a leading provider of high-quality actuators and radio control components since 1973. Hello. In this week's Thomas Index report, we're going to take a look at sourcing activity for remotely piloted drones by users of the thomasnet.com platform. Our data shows that over the past 12 weeks, sourcing activity in this category is up 12% over its historical average. The market for unmanned aerial vehicles, or drones, is exploding worldwide, growing from just $4.5 billion in 2016 to what some analysts are predicting could be a $100 billion global market in 2020. While the defense sector and consumer buyers are the top two markets, the commercial drone market is seeing tremendous growth. Industries as varied as agricultural, entertainment, construction, manufacturing, energy, and utilities are all taking advantage of the ability of drones to perform a myriad of tasks more quickly, safely, and cost-effectively than conventional methods. These tasks range from visual inspections and surveying to inventory tracking, security, materials transport, and more. One particular task for which drones are being given a very close look is package delivery. With the massive growth in e-commerce, companies have long been searching for an optimal last-mile solution. This final leg of the supply chain accounts for up to 30% of the total cost to move goods. So there's a huge incentive to find more efficient solutions, and drones are being developed and tested to fit that bill. Major players such as Alphabet, Amazon, Uber, and Walmart, as well as FedEx and UPS, are all working on drone delivery solutions. However, with the FAA taking what many in the industry see as an overly cautious approach, regulatory hurdles could push out widespread implementation of drone delivery services as far as 5 years. This is an industry in its infancy, but one that promises exponential growth as the regulatory environment catches up to what the technology is making possible. Moving on, here's a look at the top 10 industrial product and service categories being sourced on the thomasnet.com platform over the past 4 weeks. To get this weekly Thomas Index report, as well as daily news and information for industry, please sign up for our Thomas Industry Update newsletter at thomasnet.com/updates. Hey, thanks very much for watching, and I'll look forward to seeing you next week.